Change of state of matter. Decroly Education Center. Matter exists in the three states of solids, liquids and gas. The physical difference between these three states lies in the arrangement and behavior of their molecules. These differences can be explained in terms of the kinetic theory model, which states that matter is made up of very small particles called molecules. These molecules are in constant motion. The degree of movement, which is the measure of kinetic energy, depends upon the temperature. The higher the temperature, the faster the molecules move, and therefore the higher the kinetic energy. Remember that the heat energy of a substance is the total kinetic energy of all the molecules or atoms of that substance. The following table summarizes properties of gases, liquids, and solids and identifies the microscopic behavior responsible for each property. Comparative characteristics of gases, liquids and solids and their molecular explanation. Gas assumes the shape and volume of its container, that is, particles can move past one another. Liquid assumes the shape of the part of the container which it occupies. This is because particles can move forward/slide past one another. A solid retains a fixed volume and shape, it is rigid and particles locked into place. Gas is compressible, lots of free space between particles. Liquid is not easily compressible, little free space between particles. Solid is also not easily compressible, this is because it has little free space between particles. Gas flows easily, that is, particles can move past one another. Liquid flows easily, particles can move forward/slide past one another. Solid does not flow easily, rigid, particles cannot move forward/slide past one another. Gas has negligible intermolecular forces of attraction between particles. Liquid has weak intermolecular forces of attraction between particles. As for solids, they have strong intermolecular forces of attraction between particles. When a solid is heated, the vibrations of molecules and their kinetic energy increase. If the temperature goes to a certain level, the intermolecular forces are broken apart and molecules are released from each other. This results in the material changing its state from a solid to a liquid, the process known as melting or fusion. The opposite phenomenon is called solidification or freezing, change of liquid into solid. Change of liquid state. When a liquid is heated at high temperature, the particles move faster, intermolecular forces of attraction decrease and intermolecular spaces reduce. This results in the liquid changing the state and turns into gas. This process is known as evaporation. Evaporation on the surface of a liquid occurs at any temperature, but it is very slow. However, when a liquid is boiling, this change takes place everywhere in the liquid and is very fast. The process opposite to evaporation is called condensation, change of gas into liquid. Change of gaseous state. When a gas is cooled down, the motion of its particles slows down and the intermolecular spaces reduce. This results in the gas changing into liquid, the process known as condensation or liquefaction. Some substances such as carbon change directly from gas to solid and vice versa. This process, in both cases, is called sublimation, for example, case of carbon dioxide or dry ice and naphthalene. The change of state can be summarized in the following diagram. Thanks for your attention. Kindly like and share our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to be the first to receive the next learning video. You may also give us a comment to suggest what topic you would like us to cover. See you later.